Hey everyone, my name is Amrawat Buddy, and in today's video we're gonna start our gaming journey. So, the first game that I found is called The Station. I don't have any idea what is it, but description says, after a long day, you take the subway home. The train is late, but everything seems normal, until the door closed. Among the passengers, one man started acting strange. There is nowhere to run.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
Alright, here's the game. I'm really looking forward. I haven't read that. Maybe I'll be able to buy a car in a few years. Whatever. I have to wait. The subway. Alright. What am I doing here? Hey, buddy. What the dude. Can I talk to somebody? Yeah, they really love each other. So, what am I doing here? Can I talk to you? He seems very sad. Should I talk to him? Please Y for yes or no. Hey man, are you okay? I'm having a really tough time recently. Why? It's been the worst week of my life. My wife left me. I got fired from my job. And the worst of all, this train is taking ages. Yeah, for real, bro. Damn, you're really having a bad time. You're the only one who speak to in 3 days. Alright? I feel better now. Thanks. Are you sure? I can. Yes. You receive good karma. I promise. Alright, man. Take it. Take it. Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Thanks. Take this key and open the maintenance room. There should be a screwdriver. Hand it to me. Maintenance, yeah. A screwdriver. Maybe the screwdriver is inside. Take this. Dude, take this and you need the TV. Thanks. No problem. Take care. So, we have to wait for the train.
I can see only black things, nothing, no.
So, the train is here. Let's get into it. Alright, here we go. We are the train, finally. Here are the passengers. What are you looking at? So, oh, this is Mr. Sadman. So, what is going on? Oh, so tired. Oh, Mr. Sadman. Hey. Oh. Miss. What happened here? Hello? Can I exit, please? Oh. Hey, Mr. Sadman. Hey. Look, I talked to you. Okay, I talked to you. Dude, please. I talked to you. No. I talked to you. No. Let me go. Thanks, dude. Live. Oh, we have 4 endings. Let me play it again. So the ending should be depends on what we choose. So what if I don't talk to him and help him? Yeah. Oh my god. Alright, let's get into it. Mr. Sadman.
Plug.
Hey. What if I talk to you and I don't help him?
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Alright, so what will happen here? I talk to you. This should be going too fast. What? So, what if I don't talk to you and help you? No. Wait. What if I don't talk to you and don't help you? So yeah, we played this game, and this was our first gaming in my channel, and the first game we played called The Station, remember that? So we're ready for the next animation for the next week, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, if you want, I mean. So yeah, stay cool and I'll see you in the next video.